Enchanting English. I am back with a very useful topic for you. Before I get into the topic, let me all thank you for your tremendous support. Well, today's topic is the difference between those three words little, a little, the little. Similarly, few, a few, the few. Well, little, a little, the little, all these are quantifiers. And these words are used before uncountable nouns. Let us take the example. There is little hope of his recovery. When you say that, little here means not much or hardly any. It is negative in meaning. Imagine the case of a patient who is about 64 and who is suffering from multiple diseases. The doctors are giving all sorts of medication, but still the patient is not responding to the medication. The doctors will say, "We are sorry, he is not likely to recover." Then he may say, "There is little hope of his recovery." So remember, little has got negative meaning. Let's now see the difference between little and a little. When you place the article a before it, it gives a positive meaning. It means some, though not much. So when the doctor says there is a little hope of his recovery, he tends to be little positive. Even if the patient is very critical, if he responds to the medication, the doctor will become hopeful and the doctor will say there is a little hope of his recovery. So remember, a little is positive in meaning. Now let's see how the little is different from a little. When you say the little savings that he had helped him during his financial crisis, you mean to say that he did not have much savings, but the savings that he had helped him during his financial crisis. Now let's move on to few. Few, a few and the few are used before countable nouns. Now, few means hardly any. So it is negative in meaning. When you say few students attended the class, you mean maybe out of a class of 40, 3 or 4. Very less in number. So it is negative in meaning. Well, let's now see a few. How is a few different from few? When you place a preposition a before few, it gives a positive meaning. When the teacher says a few students attended the class, she tends to be little positive. Imagine it's a Saturday and she has arranged for a special class, and out of a class of 40, some 20, 30 have turned up. Teacher is quite pleased and she may say a few students turned up. So a few gives positive meaning. Let's now see how the few is different from few. The few means not many, but all there are. For example, when we say the few books that she could find were all in tatters, we mean to say that she did not have many books or she could not find many books, but whatever books she could find were all in tatters, were all in very poor condition. I believe this session was useful to you and you will not have any more confusion while using these words, especially little, a little and the little. Similarly, few, a few and the few. If you found the session useful, please don't forget to comment, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.